Hey everybody, welcome. And this is a project I'm going to show you. Of course, 12 plus 8, 20, and 56 minus 11, 45, and 78 divided by 9, 702, 56 divided by 3, 18.666667. That's hard. Now I'm going to show you how we made it. First, in the one sprite I just did, when green flag is clicked, set display to nothing. It comes 0, but set it to nothing. And when the sprite is clicked, set display to join display 1. Actually, the default values were this was apple. See, apple, and this was banana. And then same for all of them except just the numbers change, and like that. But first, you have to make a variable, call it display for all sprites, and then after that, for the plus sprite, this is the code. You just need to make more sprites. First one is answer, and then the next one is memory, and then is solving form. And these are for all sprites. For the plus one, is when this sprite is clicked, set solving form to add, set memory to display, and set display to nothing. Minus same except subtract, multiplication except multiply, and this except divide. For the equals, is this humongous over here. But first, let's get rid of this for equals. After that, you may get this over here. See, 12 times 5. The equals doesn't work, then you get that. Then when you put this code in, it's simply for set answer, memory, and display to nothing blank. When this sprite is clicked, if solving form equals to add, and then set answer, memory plus display. And also what I said here, here's add, here's subtract, here's multiply, and here is divide. Over here, add is simply set answer to memory plus display, and then set memory to blank, and then display to blank, and so on. Subtract the same except minus. Solving for multiply except multiply it with the asterisk, and divide by a slash, and clear is simply this. And then you get this, 12 times 8, 96, 70 times 2, 140, then 36 plus 1102, 148, 800 minus 654, 146. Clear simply clears these, and then 85, 855, 8552 plus 7899 equals 16451, and then this is actually the correct answer. Let's just go here, 12 plus 12, 24. Let's see if it's correct. Google.co.in. Then it takes a while. Then we have Google. Then you have to search here calculator. Oops. You have to simply go to images and then all. Then it may come as 12 plus 12 equal to 24. Yes, it's correct. So I'm going to show you the code again, except not go quickly. It's simply when green flag is clicked. Let me zoom in for you. When green flag is clicked, set display to none, blank. Then when this part is clicked, set display to join, display, then a number 1 to 0. And then I'm going to stay this code for about like 2 minutes, so take your time. Of course, do this for every button. Now take your time for good. Okay, sorry. Now welcome back. You're already in this video. And then over here, now you done 1 to 10. 1 to 0. And then do the same for the these plus, minus, divide, and multiply. Just let me zoom in for you. When this right clicked, set solving form to add, set memory to display, and set display to blank. So I'm going to leave this code for 2 minutes. So let's see. And sorry, just to disturb you, just do this for plus, minus, divide, and multiply. Don't forget that, please. Now welcome back again. Now over here, you done it? Then the equals is the biggest part. Zoom in. Just when green flag is clicked, set answer to blank, set memory to blank, and set display to blank. And then when this part is clicked, if solving form equals add, then set answer to memory plus display, set memory to blank, and display to blank. Actually, for subtract is for subtraction. For the minus, it is subtract. For add, for plus, it is add. Multiply, it is multiplication, it is multiply. For division, it is divide. Now whatever you put in here, you set that answer to memory plus display, set memory to blank, display to blank. Same for subtract, except minus, multiply to add the asterisk, and then divide to slash. Now I'm going to leave the multiply 1. Just take this off. Okay, good. And okay, now you see this. Just I'm going to keep this for 2 minutes. So see, done. See you later. Oops. Now you take your time. Then do the same for subtract, add, and divide. Clear is the simplest one. When the sprite is clicked, set answer to blank, set memory to blank, set display to blank, and set solving form to blank. I'm going to wait for you for 2 minutes. Done? Okay, good on you. Now simply over here, you made it. And of course, please go to my profile, and then I'm going to enable the comments, and there you should submit this project. You should share this project, but you should be verified with the email address. And you can show me. If you didn't comment on it, then it's okay. I like to see it. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you did. Smash the like button, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Kids Coder out.